In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete your Snapchat account on your Android or iPhone devices. So without wasting any time, let's begin. First of all, let's open the Snapchat app. In the Snapchat app, in the top left corner, you can see your profile icon. Tap on your profile icon. And in the top right corner, you can see the settings icon. Tap on the settings icon. And now scroll below until you see the support section. In the support section, in the first line, tap on I need help. Now in the second option you can see my account and security. Tap on it. And now go to account information. In here, in the second last option, tap on delete my account. Scroll below and tap on accounts portal. Now enter your password to confirm your identity. It says that your account has been deactivated for 30 days. And if you don't log into your account for 30 days, after that your account will be deleted permanently. After deletion, all of your chats, friends list, snaps, stories, and all of your profile data will be deleted too. Alright guys, if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.